Hello friends, welcome to Ashok IT. I am Shekhar, Java trainer at Ashok IT. Now we are going to discuss how to use a text block of Java 17, and also we are going to look at how to use enhanced switch statement in Java 17. These are the features of Java 17 we are going to discuss. Before Java 17, suppose if you want to return multiple lines of text from a Java method, so then you have to use a new line character, that is \n, and also you need to use a concatenation symbol, which is plus, to return a text in multiple lines from a method. But from Java 17, we got a new facility called creating a text block. We no need to use \n, the new line character, and also we no need to use of any plus the concatenation symbol. Just we can write the text in multiple lines within a text block, and we can able to return the multiple lines of text from a Java method. Let's see practically how it can be done with a feature added in Java 17. Let's move to the screen. Let's create a new package here in .ashok IT. And here we are creating one new Java class. Now the class name is a text block test. Consider I am creating two methods here. One is main method and the other method that we are creating is a static method. Let's say consider private static with return type is string and the method is getString. Now first let's see before Java 17 how we can able to return a text in multiple lines from this particular method. Consider return, then we can start the quotes. Now this is a text \n plus in multiple lines \n plus before Java 17. Now we want to call this method from this main. Since it's a static method, we can directly call with the class name. Consider the class name is text block test. Then we want to call the getString method. Now we are going to get a string and we like to print it. So in a single statement, we'll write sout system.out.println text block test dot getString. Now let's run this code and observe the output. Now you can see we got the text in multiple lines. So this is a text in multiple lines before Java 17 version. We got 3 lines of text over here. But now from Java 17, we no need of using this \n character, the new line character, and we no need of using any concatenation symbol plus, but we can able to return multiple lines of text with a text block symbols. So text block symbol starts with 3 double quotes. Now let us remove this. Now I will start 3 double quotes and the text must appear from the next line and the text must end with 3 double quotes. Now within these 3 double quotes, we can write text in multiple lines. Now this is a text block from a method using Java 17 feature, text block feature. Right, now let us run this and check. You can observe we don't have \n character and we don't have any concatenation symbol as well. Now simply we are just going to run this method. We'll run this program. Now the same result, you got the text in multiple lines but without using \n character or by using concatenation symbol. So this is the new facility included from Java 17 and this is text block feature. Now let's consider how to use enhanced switch statement. We know switch statement. In switch statement, each case can have a single label. We cannot write more than one label. And we must use a break for each case to stop the execution in that particular case if the case label matches without executing the further cases. But from Java 17, a switch statement can return a value and the multiple labels can be added for a switch case, and colon and break, these two is avoided with arrow token, with arrow symbol we can say. Now let's see how we can use enhanced switch statement, which is included in Java 17. In Java 17, switch statement can return a value and case can allow multiple labels. There is no need of writing colon and break statements. We can avoid them and we can use in place of them arrow token. Let's see an example on the screen. Let's create one sample code. We'll create a new Java class and the class is enhanced switch test. Let's create main method and also let's create one more static method, private static, which can return a string. Method name is getResult. Now this getResult will return me it will accept some character as an input and returns me a string. So the result type of this getResult method is a string and it will accept an input of type character. Now here, the logic what we are writing here is return with a switch of the given character. Now, we can add case with multiple labels. Consider I am writing case. If it is capital A, capital E, I, O, U. These are ovals. But these are in uppercase characters. It could be lowercase character also. I can add multiple labels by separating them with comma. So, lowercase letter A, E, I, O, U. Then arrow token, we want to return a string called oval. Default, we want to return consonant. Okay, now this is the return statement. Switch can return the value if the character value matches with any of the case labels like A, E, I, O in uppercase or in lowercase. So we can add multiple labels by separating them with a comma, which is added from Java 17, which is called enhanced switch statement. And you can see we are not writing any colon and we are not writing any break. Instead, we are writing one more symbol called arrow. This is the symbol which is newly given in place of colon and break statements. Now I want to call this method from main, and let's consider sout. Directly I am using system.out.println. GetResult, a static method I am calling, of one character I am providing capital E as an input. Let's run this program and check the output. Now we got the response, it is oval. A, E, I, O, U are considered as oval characters. Now the result is an oval. Consider now I am writing getResult of capital M. So as we know, M is not an oval or it's a consonant. Now let's run this code. Now the result is it's a consonant. In this way that we can able to use enhanced switch statement, which is included from Java 17. Thank you.